Ready to level up your Instagram stories? Get creative with these easy steps and make your post stand out. But first, make sure to save this video for future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to make Instagram stories. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, start by opening the Instagram app on your device. Tap on your profile picture or swipe left from your feed to open the story camera. Once you are in the story camera, tap the shutter button to take a photo or hold the shutter button for a video. You can also swipe up to access your gallery and choose a photo or video from your phone. After selecting the photo, tap the text icon and type your message. Make sure to customize with different fonts, colors, and sizes. Tap the sticker icon. Here you can add GIFs, polls to engage your audience, location to tag a place, or time to add the current time. You can also swipe left or right to browse to the filter. Make your story even more dynamic by adding the background music. Click on the music icon to add a song to your story. Browse the library or search for your favorite music. Additionally, you can also pick a specific part of the song to play in your story and adjust the lyrics that appears on the screen. Once you are happy with your story, tap on the Done. It's time to share it. Tap your story to upload it directly to your profile. Alternatively, you can also tap on the Close Friend to share it only with the selected group of people. So this is how to make Instagram stories. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.